Hello learners, welcome to the tutorial on mastering vector layers with ArcPy. In this guide, you will explore how to work with the vector layers, shapefiles in ArcPy, including adding, removing, and manipulating layers. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience with ArcGIS, this tutorial will help you streamline your workflow and enhance your spatial analysis capabilities. Let's dive in. Added layers in Python console. You can add vector layers, shapefiles, to an ArcMap document, MXD, directly from the Python console. To add layers, use this script. Import ArcPy. Reference the currently opened ArcMap document, current, MXD equal arcpy.mapping.map document, current. Then get the first data frame in the document, df equal arcpy.mapping.list data frame, mxt, and O means is data frame. Then list of shapefiles in the data folder to be added to the map. Shapefiles equal the path of country.shp. For this tutorial, I have a list of shapefiles in my path D udemy/arcpy/data folder. For example, cities, country, lakes, and so on. So I define the path of country shapefile, lakes shapefile, one point, and places.shp. After that, look through each shapefiles and add it to the map. For shp, in shapefiles list, layer equal arcpy.mapping.layer shp, convert shapefiles to layer. Then added the layer arcpy.mapping.added layer, df, layer, and auto arrange. Then rent layers added successfully. We copy this script, Ctrl C, and go to ArcMap, open Python console, then Ctrl V to paste. Enter. These four shapefiles added to the ArcMap layers. 1 point, places, lakes, and countries. In the output, layers added successfully. Let's run the script again and again. Now we open very long list of shapefiles. How to remove layers in Python console ArcMap. To remove all layers from a map, you can use the following code. Instead of manually removing them one by one, we use this script. Import ArcPy, reference the current open ArcMap document, current mxd equal arcpy.mapping.map document. Get the first data frame in the document, df equal arcpy.mapping.list data frame, mxd, the first one. Then remove all layers from the data frame using the loop for lyr in arcpy.mapping.list layers, mxd, empty double quotation, comma, df, arcpy.mapping.remove layers, df, comma, lyr. Then, if it is success, print all layers removed. You copy the script, Ctrl C, then go to Python console of ArcPy. Ctrl V to paste, then double enter. The files will be removed one by one. Now all layers removed, and the output, all layers removed. Remove layers from an mxd in Python script. If you are working with a specific mxd file, not the currently open map, you can remove all layers as follows. Use import ArcPy, then provide the full path to your ArcMap document.mxd. For example, in my case, mxd path equal rstring c/data/arcpy.mxd. You should change this to your actual mxd file path. Then load the mxd file. After that, get the first data frame in mxd. Then remove all layers. For lyr in arcpy.mapping.list layers, mxd, comma, empty double quotation, comma, df, arcpy.mapping.remove layers, df, comma, lyr. Then save changes to mxd file, mxd.save. After that, print all layers were removed successfully. We copy the script, open Visual Studio Code, file, new file, Python file, Ctrl V, select interpreter. We use Python 2.7. Then run. Let's save it. All layers were removed successfully. Confirm. We can go to the folder and open it. Data. This is ArcPy. You can see all shapefiles removed from the mxd file. Add layers to mxd, for example, using Visual Studio Code. To add layers programmatically, from a Python script via Visual Studio Code or any other softwares, you can follow this method. Import ArcPy, then load MXD file. Ensure the file path is correct. MXD equal arcpy.mapping.map document rstring c data slash arcpy.mxd. Then get the first data frame in the MXD. List of shapefiles in the data folder. For example, shapefile is country.shp in the udemy/arcpy/data and lakes shp 1.shp places.shp. Added each shapefile to the map. For shp in shapefiles, layer equal arcpy.mapping layer shp. Then arcpy.mapping.added layer df comma layer comma auto arrange. Then save changes to the mxd file using mxd.save. If it succeeds, print layer is added successfully. We copy the script and paste it inside a new file in Visual Studio Code. Now we run the script after closing ArcMap with the specified MXD. Layer is added successfully. To confirm, let's open the MXD file again. Now you can see shapefile is added to the ArcPy MXD programmatically.